is Franco Apollo Arcus, and I am from Grade 10 St. Edith Stein. Welcome. Today we're taking a 1-minute dive into the fascinating world of frontal lobe. Located right behind your forehead, the frontal lobe is a powerhouse of brain activity. It controls our voluntary movements thanks to the primary motor cortex, and it coordinates more complex actions with its premotor areas. Here is the picture where our frontal lobe located. But it doesn't stop there. This region is also the hub of executive function. Think planning, decision making, and problem solving. Every time you weigh your option, your frontal lobe is working hard. In most people, the left side even hosts Broca's area, crucial for speech production. That's why it's the key for forming words and expressing thoughts. Fun fact: the frontal lobe is one of the last parts of the brain to fully develop, which explains some of the impulsive choices in our youth. That's a quick look at the frontal lobe, our brain command center. Thanks for watching and stay curious.